Hey everyone, Jim Fultz with Copeland here today to talk to you about why you need to be careful when you're installing a TXV. The TXVs have sometimes threads where they connect, but there are other times that a TXV has solder points where you braze or solder the TXV in. When you're doing that, if heat gets up here to this head, and it's going to go and it's going to push the fluid all the way up into the bulb, and you can eventually, if you have too much heat on there, push through that and damage this head. So good practice, always wrap the head with a damp cloth and keep the heat away from this head as much as possible when you're installing a TXV using the brazing method. Thanks for watching.